any further.
We got cut off so bad. Alright.
And I was still like
MVP.
I was still
You are like, oh my god. Like I bought a high-powered LED flashlight because they're really already like and they're good.
So we just entered Pachu in Galaxy's Edge and I'm freaking out.
Oh, okay.
We're getting ready to build a lightsaber. Well, Ryan is.
Yeah.
It's gonna be so much fun.
I never thought it'd do wheelie. Not a large lightsaber pieces.
As you know, we are in troubled times. But you've all heard of the legends like Luke Skywalker. And now we have a new Jedi. What is her name?
Rey.
You know?
Rey.
Rey, yes, our spark of hope. And builders, I believe, like them, you too have heard the calling because you're here to build this, the lightsaber. Fellow Gathers and I are coming around with the pieces that you chose earlier. Out of these trays are the parts you'll get to choose from. Builders, are you ready to build?
Yes!
Well then let's build.
Once it gets in place,
I have
we'll spin around and we'll light
There you
up.
go. I have there is similar markings on the side of the chassis. So
Very
the
good.
blue
Once it's in place, you'll flip the switch and it will make that noise. That's a good noise.
red marking and so it's attached to the plate.
That one's right.
Thank you.
Yep, it's like a big band.
Thank you.
I was debating on what
Next, space number 3, this is our emitter, and we're going to place that on the top. This is where your blade will come out of.
Now you're going to move to step number 4 with your end cap and secure the top.
Oh, look at him. You're like, I did it.
Activation switch, okay?
I like it.
Take these back. Thank you.
I like it. I like it.
This can take years of practice to do this. And we have, how long have you had there, Vincent?
I think we started about 2 weeks ago.
Many parts silver now joined they are. Yes, lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Are you ready? Step forward. Put your hand on your hilt. Everybody ready? Take a deep breath and activate. Raise your lightsaber. Raise your lightsaber. Like you have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and Sith who have come before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, please deactivate.
So Ryan just did the Savvy's workshop. He built his own lightsaber, and must be very hormonal because I got emotional at the end. I was definitely tearing up. It was so cool. Definitely worth it. This is freaking awesome.
This is awesome.
What's your name? Nice to meet you, Calvin. My name is Bob. Have you? Oh, you did? Where? Earlier down.
I would make like the most like abstract one that like nobody's seen before. That black thing. That black pretty much. Yeah. The wire.
I hope this takes good footage.
Is it recording of it?
It's a good thing I watched a lot of this, huh?
Be sure you got the front and the back there.
Thank you.
So, alright, let's activate.
He's beautiful.
Him, her.
Her name's Rusty.
Okay, go ahead and push that button when it lights up. Activating. See how Rusty does. So this is your remote.
Got it.
That's going to move her forward and backwards and left and right. Okay, I see. All right, so similar idea. This is your remote. That's going to move it forward and backwards.
Oh my gosh.
These guys have it running off the table.
Got it.
Right
Understandable.
and left, and this will make the head spin around. And this button will make it talk. Okay. And again, this button will make the head spin around. And this button will make it talk. Okay.
Hi, Archu.
Alright.
Are you having a good day? Good. I got a buddy, Archu buddy. His name's Rusty. You're so cute. It's nice meeting you. Have a good day. Bye.
What's that? Oh, that's the exit. They get mad if I jump up there.
Attention all units. Prepare docking bay for the 709.
Right?
It's like walk around.
Oh my god.
They probably react badly because this is the resistance for the resistance video. He also doesn't have a personality yet. So cool. Oh, there's the one for the ride. Wow. Wait, all those are seen off?
Hello.
Oops, sorry. Awesome. Got a carbon buildup on its outside.
Yeah, look at all that carbon buildup.
Carbon scoring. Smack.
Come in! I have an opportunity for you all that is better, dangerous, I was going to say profitable, than the capsule set my friends into danger.
So they'll probably have a group of 3 that will join us.
Gotcha.
Yellow credential. Yellow, please come this way.
Brown. We're brown.
Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium.
There's a ladder to the gun. Ready?
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings.
Thank you.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños.
Engineers. Automatic repair engaged. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Only one gunner. Weapons are online. Well, let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
Oh! You get to make the jump! Holy crap. Oh my god.
There's the train. There it is. After that train. Pilot brakes.
Oh my god.
Well, my friend, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. You see, just as I promised, my friend, now that the resistance has what they need, maybe we can leave something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Good job, my friends. Yes, yes, yes. We got the coaxium. Fire the missiles at the train. Fire.
Oh my god.
It's coming down. Let's get out of here.
Yes.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve two
Thank you,
containers
Chewie.
of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You will earn the first order and made Chewie proud.
I got an awesome.
I'm watching you.
Chewie, can I take a quick selfie? Thank you so much. Oh no! I'm stupid, I'm sorry! Thank you. Thank you so much. It went away from the camera.
You got it when you're good.
He did.
So cool. Like somebody actually made the license.
They're like
I wonder what it says
detonator
though.
grenades. Yeah, I don't know.
Probably Coke.
I don't have a clue.
Yeah.
Ronto's Roasters. Okay, so we just got our blue and green milk and we are gonna try it for the first time.
I taste some type of fruit snack, like a Gusher or a fruit roll.
I taste like a Gusher or like a Skittle almost.
Yeah, like. It's really good.
You wanna trade? Oh, I like the blue milk better. This is good. This is like a Gusher too, but the blue is sweeter, and if you love just like straight sugar.
It's almost like a red or pink flavor of Starburst, the blue one.
Mm-hmm. Gosh, what is this?
That's more Skittly, I think.
You're right, that is like a Starburst.
I like them both. I mean, they're really good.
A+.
Good job, Evan.
You, traveler, what are you doing with that data pad? Just stick to civilian channels. Move along.
Well, our time on Batuu has come to a close and I'm freaking depressed about it. It's sad. It was so much fun.